Another frequently asked question is why Avero? Typically, we get this at the end of any presentation we're making, and to us, it's a fairly straightforward answer, but it's pretty complicated when it comes to picking the right consultant team, and we understand why that question comes up from a client or a prospect, because they want to make sure that they have the right team that they're picking, and a lot of their credibility and career rides on this selection. So why Avero? In very simple terms, this is what we do, right? We work with cities, counties, quasi-government agencies across the country to deliver value to these clients. We're not distracted by any of our other practice areas. We're not into auditing, we're not into compliance, we're not into anything else. We do IT modernization, strategic planning, and ERP modernization for public sector clients. So we're very focused on that niche. The second thing is that the team is what you see is what you get. When we bring a team to the presentation, when we put a team in a proposal, that's your team. We're not going to put in a sales front. When we come to the presentation, we're not bringing a salesperson that does nothing but sell. We're going to bring the team to you. You will meet the team in person and get to know them during the interview process. So what you see is what you get. We're never going to put a decoy team in front of you, and then someone else shows up at the project kickoff. The next thing is we're very passionate about what we do. We don't do this just as a day job. A lot of our team is constantly researching. They're reading books. They're on seminars and webinars, constantly learning about IT modernization, digital transformation, and ERP modernization issues and trends. Somewhat nerdy, but it works because we can then use that as knowledge that we can share with our clients. And again, like I said, we are very careful on who we work with. So if we are in a room with you, that means that there is a mutual interest and we really want that project and that client. So to recap, what you see is what you get. We're not going to put a decoy team in front of you just to get the sale. All of our employees that are part of the project team work for Avero. This isn't a body shop. We're not just going to go bring people in for working this project and then let them go. These people work for Avero and are passionate about this line of work and the industry we're in. And we're always up to speed with industry trends and what's going on with different vendors. We're not resellers. We don't resell any product. Anytime we are involved, it's because we are working on your behalf, the client's behalf, as an independent third-party consultant. And we're never biased or aligned with any software or hardware vendors. So all of those things are critical. They may seem trivial, but in our experience, that's been the keystone and the foundation for how we've delivered valuable services to our clients.